All right, cello people, we are down to number 19, the last one on page 18. And this is finally a song that we know at least two versions of, and we can sing along, or when you play it, most likely someone will hear it and go, oh, is that song? So this one's called Rolling Along, and the lyrics here are, merrily we roll along, roll along, merrily we roll along all the livelong day. But I bet you guys know a different version of the words for this song called Mary Had a Little Lamb. So we find our F sharp. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. And notice that we're not using G for this one at all. It's just F sharp and E and open D string, which means, I mean, with G or without G, we can play a lot of these songs on any string using the same fingering combination. So if I went down a string and went, it still sounds like that, or even on the C string, very low. Or up on the A string. Now the letter names will all be different depending on what string you're on, but you can try it out on different strings and find the version you like the best. All right, here we go. We are going to do this one in the 3 different tempos. It's a 2-line song, so at the end of the first line we have a single bar line, which means there's more music to come. So don't stop just after the first line. Ready, play. One, two, ready, go. And finally at 120, fast version. 1, 2, ready, go.